I fixed my thing again, re-glued it, came apart. I removed my little bike mount for the DJI camera. Hey, I'm Fish. Sometimes the Fish forgets to put ultra-wide back to HB horizon balance, and that's what my start of the video did. Well, the glue did not hold. It did not hold! Gorilla Brown. I'll do it over again, and I'll figure out a better way to get it on there. I'm gonna try to get some shots. I just don't know what. Have some fun with that camera as well, the Insta360 X5. Because what if the DJI 360 comes out soon? And I don't use my 360 that much. Then why would I get a DJI 360? I like going over the bridge when the lights are on, while the paint is still recent. It gives a nice, good color. No sunrise yet. We're going to be heading down. Maybe a new path, different path, or a path that I didn't show before. I'm backtracking just a little bit. I want to show you this house. Now check that out. He's got a plane. And the plane is about 5 feet. I wonder if that still flies. I'm hanging on the sidewalk slow. Gonna take that little new path. It's just a short path, that's all it is. I can't cut through, but I can make my turn. We'll swing down this road. I know it's the wrong way. All right, so what we'll do, we'll come out towards the end, be on a different path road. Oh, look at here. Didn't pay your tolls. The Oceanic. No more. Yeah, that used to be the place to be at. Greece. Oh, yeah. Good fond memories. Was it Jean-Claude Van Damme made a movie here? Or was it the French Connection that made a movie here? Yes, it was. All right, so we head on down. I've been down this road before. Here we go. Another one, not paid. This used to be a place to come at. Take your baths in the public, called the Bath Beach House. Now, can't afford to get in there. Maybe the prices dropped just a little. All right, so we are on the boardwalk. A lot further on the original boardwalk and not the cement or the, what do you call those boards? Composition boards. All right, time for me to switch on over and get a different camera's view. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, how I'm going to set it up. Instaframe, 360, share it both ways. Find a spot and exercise. That's what we do. All right, I'm here and I'm going to head on down and see if they put anything that's worthwhile checking out. Nope, they didn't set anything up. And this is what it looks like. The dive case, the dive bell, no T-Rex, and no trigger. So we'll just head on out, give you a tour via 360. This way I could give you a tour this particular way. It's all on deep track Instaframe towards me and 5.7 plus 360 that I could pick my own. Well, you want to see the back of the Cyclone? We can go do that. We can look at the back side of it, because this is a side that nobody ever sees. Right? Let me try to come on over here where it's less bumpy. There you go. So this is the back side of the Cyclone. Man, I could come in here, go find a spot, stand on the tip of my bicycle, and then you could see this nice, awesome drop right here. If I had a larger selfie stick, man, I would definitely show you. Well, let me see what I can do for you. Well, let me be real careful when I'm going through, so this way you can see what's happening here. And then you can see the actual drop right there. Oh man, that is so sweet. Catching that roller coaster going by. Oh yeah, man. That's what we do best. Nice close-up personal shot. How sweet is that, man? Oh, hang on. I'm going down a bump. I don't love going down sidewalks with my bike. I like to be, comfortable. Oh, rat. Rats, man. They're there. How about this bad boy? How does that look to you? I gotta change on over. Remember these shots. Takes a lot of work with 360. Now, as we ride along, we got the Cyclone in the front. Oh, low-hanging tree, Ohio Fred. I don't want to show the front today. I want to go this way. We'll head on down to Nathan's, and then we'll head on down to the pier. I'll come here during the day one day. Don't want to lock the bike up. Maybe I'll take the scooter. Lights are on. You ever been to a freak show? Freak shows are awesome, man. You get to see the artwork. They got the pinball machines still here. Evel Knievel. And the gates are down for it. So here we are. Pinball machines are closed. But that's the freak show. Enter for sale. Maybe we could do something a little different here. Be a little careful. I don't like getting my lens scratched, but you get the idea of the freak show, man. Oh man, check that out. $15 to go see. Yes, indeed. Putting through gates is no fun, but the fish does it. The mermaid, welcome. Next block is Nathan's. Come down for a hot dog, french fries, even frog's legs, lobster rolls, crab cakes. All right, here we are. This is where they had the hot dogs. Yeah, the international. 70.5 hot doggies. And here we are. Woo, baby, now I can sit right here and say, hey, I'm at Nathan's the hot dog place. I've been there, showed it. You got it. Beauty about this, I can raise my stick real high and get the shot I want. Give you a thumbs up, yeah. Having a shot always this way, facing you, you want to be able to turn the camera around so you can get those shots, like the sign right here. Now, if I take my time, I can edit all this. But, it'd probably take me a full day to do what I want to do. Let's ride on up. Get down to the pier. Get on the boardwalk. Capture that sunrise. I'm on my shoulder. This way I can relax. I'll look at the freighter that's coming in. It's So we got a shot listening to the ocean waves. Seagull. Check out that beautiful sunrise. All right, we get to see the ride going, the sun going up, the sprinkler working, the skyline. We get to look down below, hold nice and tight. And yeah, get a beautiful shot indeed. Well, I showed what I had to share what I had to show, did what I had to do, and here I am at the end of my ride with the Insta360 X5. Yeah, pigeon's right here. See if we could get right on top of the pigeon. Watch him fly off. I don't want to leave you hanging without some DJI Action 5 footage of the amusement park sunrise. Well, as I ride back in the golden hour and the sun beaming in my eyes, it's time to get on out, get on going, and get on sharing.